These superfood spices were given to me by the seller for my consideration. Now, all these powders are so finely ground, you can just apply water and have instant tea or instant smoothies. Go ahead and do your research about all the benefits of turmeric. Turmeric is known to reduce inflammation, joint support, and lots of antioxidants. Alma powder is known for being extremely rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. It's considered a rejuvenating herb for overall wellness, hair, and skin. Sometimes people even use it in hair masks and scalp oils, or with honey or just warm water in the morning. Organic moringa is often called a superfood because it's packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, plant protein, and it is nutrient dense: iron, calcium, potassium, vitamins A and C. Wheatgrass powder is commonly known for detox-style wellness support and its dense concentration of chlorophyll, vitamins, minerals, and once again, antioxidants. I love to mix it with my matcha. It makes for super matcha. You can't beat the amount of antioxidants going into your body with this mix. Also, one of my favorite things to make when I'm feeling under the weather or I just want to treat myself at night is golden milk. Try some milk, throw in a couple of cinnamon sticks, that fine turmeric powder and honey, and a sprinkle of black pepper just for absorption. Heat it up and you have got golden milk. Think of it as a nightly wellness ritual that helps your body slow down, recharge, and glow from the inside out. Good.